this hair?
Fine.
Do you like it?
Yeah, fine.
You like them? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing amazingly well, because your girl is doing amazingly well. Okay, can you guys smell it? I can smell. Can you guys smell the Christmas in the air? I can finally smell Christmas in the air. And if you have not gotten your Christmas hair by now, what you doing? Okay, but anyways, this video is going to be a hair review. I'm always very excited about hair reviews, and without further ado, let's get right into this video.
I've been waiting all night.
Now, this luscious hair that I'm going to be showing you guys today is from no other than Yolissa Hair. Love this brand so much. I have one other wig from them that I reviewed earlier in the year or late last year. I can't even recall right now, but I really love the quality of their hairs so much. So this brand was kind enough to send me another luscious hair for me to slay this Christmas. Okay, first of all, let's look at the packaging. This came in a very beautiful, nice pink and black box. This box is so sturdy, like even with the shipping and everything, it didn't even flinch, it did not even bend, it did not even crack. Like, it looks so good. And this came to me very fast. I got this wig in about 4 or 5 days, which was very fast. I got this via DHL, and it came very fast. All right, so opening up the box, the first thing I can see here is the luscious wig. The color is already speaking to me, but let's keep this hair aside first, and let's look at other things that came in the box. First thing I can see here is this is almost like a wrap, I think, for your hair, but yeah, it just looks like a long sash. Then we have a nice pair of lashes. I can never have too many lashes, you guys. There's also a wig cap, and thank you so much, Yolissa, for giving me my shade of wig cap. I barely ever find my shade of wig cap, and this is 2 pieces, which is good. This is the Velcro band you would use to tie down your edges, which I really like. I have like 1 or 2 from my last package from them as well. And then we have a nice duster bag to store your wig, and then an edge comb, edge brush. You guys know this already. So that is all that is in the box. Now let's look at this hair. I love how this hair was packaged, to be honest, and I can see everything about this hair right on the package. It is their undetectable HD lace skin melt. The lace is their transparent skin melt lace. I cannot wait to try this out, and it's a 13x4 lace front wig in 18 inches. This wig is also a 180% density wig. This color, people will not rest for me this Christmas, because you're not ready. Oh, this wig was so nicely packaged. Look at that net. This net is like white. It was so well packaged, guys. You people are not ready for me. My goodness, can we take it? Hey, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie home. I'm elastic, because what is this beauty? What are these gorgeous coils? Excuse me, Yolissa, what is this pre-plucked lace? This pre-plucked and pre-bleached lace? What is happening? This is absolutely beautiful. I need to bring this up close for you guys to really see. Just take a good look at this lace, how plucked the front is. It's so like, if this is not natural, then I don't know what it is, because this is as natural hairline can be. Okay, I'm excited, guys. I'm super duper excited. This is already in a middle part, but you can actually part this hair into different partings on the side, middle, whichever way you want it. You can actually part this. Guys, you know what, too much talk. Let's install this hair. Okay, I'm going to be using one of the wig caps that they sent to me, because I actually quite like the color. I actually quite like these wig caps. They are transparent. Guys, I'm obsessed with these coils. They are so cute. The elastic on this thing is not like those flimsy elastic bands you see from other wigs. This band is so sturdy and so big. Like, this wig is not going anywhere once it's on your head. It's so what? I wish you guys can feel this band. And as per usual, of course, like every other wig, this has combs to secure your wig down on your scalp. It has additional bands at the edge. Like, this is a very well made wig. Are you guys already seeing this beauty? Or excuse me, are you guys already seeing the beauty that is this wig? What? No way. Where is the lace? I've not cut the lace yet, but where is it though? Oh my goodness, guys, this is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wig. So guys, I didn't even have to coil this hair. As you can see, this hair came coiled. You guys saw all the coils, but I just like flipped it into like one coil here and one coil here, and I absolutely, guys, I'm obsessed with this hair. It's so beautiful, it's so luscious, it's so soft. If you don't want your coils to be this defined, you can actually like finger comb it. If some are using this big comb to comb it out, you can comb it out if you want. It will still, the coils will always like be defined. Does that make any sense? I'm not sure how many times I'm going to wear this wig where I would have to recoil it, but it's not looking like it's going anywhere anytime soon. It's looking like it's gonna be like this for quite a while. And you guys saw I did not really apply much to this hair. I just applied my hair wax on top here just to slick it down a little bit so it's all nice and sleek, and I use my hot comb to, like, you know, further push it down and flatten it. Then I use my Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1 leave-in and just, you know, put that all over the hair. And basically that's all I had to do. I didn't even have to do much, surprisingly, and I'm so excited about that. Like, I can't stop doing my hair like this. Okay, so let's take up this band and see what the hairline, very importantly, what this hairline is looking like. Let's take this. Ha! Ha! Oh my god! What? You guys, look at the you guys, please take a look. Can somebody help me and take a look? Take a look at this frontal. Oh my god, guys, this is so nah. This, where is the lace? Where is the lace? I love the way the frontal is looking. The lace melted right into my skin, and you guys can see the wig cap I used also matched so well. Like, basically, you guys, I don't have anything else to do to this wig. I can just get up and go. Get up and go. Babe, are you seeing this hair?
Fine.
Hey, look at the front.
Wow.
Like, I am obsessed.
Marvelous.
Do you like it?
Yeah, fine. Yes, really nice.
Oh my god, like, look at that belt, babe. I didn't have to go to a salon to install this.
Wow.
You like them? Hey, pretty. My skin tone, baby. Yes. Rate it over 10.
100.
100. Hey, 100 over 10. I love it. Thanks, baby boo. Anyway, guys, every single information you need on this hair, can you guys see how I'm smiling? Yolissa did this. Every info you need on this hair would be in my description box below, so make sure you check it out. Everything you need, the link directly to this hair. Again, it is an 18 inches, 180% density, luscious hair. Full on transparent lace frontal, HD lace 13x4 full frontal, guys. Okay, this is mad. All right, okay, I don't know what else to say, but go and buy this hair, okay, especially for this beautiful season. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.